In this video, I'll guide you through how to add Acuity Scheduling to WordPress. This is a great way to streamline your appointment booking process right on your website, making it easier for clients to schedule time with you. With just a few simple steps, you can have your scheduling calendar integrated into your WordPress site in no time. First, you'll need to grab the code from your Acuity Scheduling account. Make sure you're logged into your Acuity dashboard. Once there, navigate to the client scheduling page and then click on Embed Scheduler. Here, you'll find the HTML code that you need to add to your WordPress site. Highlight the entire code and copy it. This code is what will allow your scheduling calendar to be displayed directly on your website. Now that you have your code, it's time to head over to your WordPress site. Decide which page or post you'd like to add the calendar to. Perhaps it's your contact page or maybe a dedicated booking page. Once you've decided, open that page or post in your WordPress editor. If you haven't created the page yet, you can easily set up a new one by navigating to Pages and clicking on Add New. With your chosen page or post open, you'll want to add a new block. If you're using the WordPress block editor, this is quite straightforward. Look for the option to add a block and search for custom HTML. Select this block to add it to your page. The custom HTML block is where you'll paste the HTML code you copied from Acuity. This block is specifically designed to handle HTML, so it's the perfect place for your scheduler code. After pasting the code into the custom HTML block, take a moment to preview your page to ensure that the scheduler displays correctly. This is an important step because it allows you to see exactly what your visitors will see. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Update to save your changes. If you notice any issues, double check that you've copied the entire HTML code correctly and that it's been pasted into the custom HTML block without any extra spaces or characters. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added Acuity Scheduling to your WordPress site. This integration will not only enhance your site's functionality, but also provide your clients with a seamless way to book appointments with you. Remember, keeping the scheduling process simple and intuitive is key to a positive user experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!